Yep, got jack stands and a jack. I'm gonna get another floor jack out. Wild Bill's gonna jack this baby up. We're gonna get into the repair mode. And there's the man himself right there.
Out here in the middle of the Arizona desert.
By Galveston Beach.
River.
They moved the Arizona desert to Galveston Beach, didn't they?
Did.
Wild Bill's gonna take good care of me. Getting a new fuel pump put in. Got the gas tank dropped. Emptying out the last few gallons of gas. It's just that time. Here's the old fuel pump. Gotta get a new one of these. Ah, yeah. Alright, there's the new pump, the old pump. Look identical, they're going in. That man right there is gonna do it all. Well, my parts finally came in, only a week and a day late. Need bearings, ball joints, upper and lower ball joints.
Buddy.
More stuff taken apart. Wild Bill working on the steering components, tie rods.
Dan, you better quit fibbing.
You're not working on it?
No, you are. You're doing all the work.
I'm just holding the camera.
You're the warranty guy. Yep. If all else fails, it's Dan's fault.
There you go. All these new parts. Alrighty, the front wheels are on. And she's been aligned. The TheDanVan is got new ball joints, ball upper and lower, and she drives so much better. No more road walk. I'm a happy man, and I all it owe to Wild Bill. That's what you call if you're in the Galveston area and you need repairs. He is the man. He knows what he's doing. I am so happy. Hey everyone, hope you're having fun. I am, and you should be too. Oh yeah. Yep, Betty was over at Rose's again, and they were just talking over some wine, naturally, because that's how wild conversations get started. Betty says, you know, when I was in my 20s, I had a smoking hot body. I don't know, is there any way you can get a smoking hot body in old age? And Rose looked at Betty and she says, yeah, it's called cremation.